Friday the 13th, we're here at Raceway Park for the last Ratchet Friday of the year. Still getting set up. Gates opened a little over 10 minutes ago, and we got a lot of cars rolling in, a lot of nice cars. We got the Halloween costume contest tonight with, I think, $500 or $600 in prizes. Then, as usual, the dance contest, another couple $100, and then drag racing and the car exhibition. Weather's looking good, so we should get a good turnout tonight. Crazy turnout tonight. You're about to see the grandstand Friday night. We got Jason over here. How's it going tonight?
Good.
You're the friendliest Jason we ever met.
Yeah. Can't help it.